Cummins Power Generation, we're celebrating a century of power,
taking pride in a century of innovations,
and 100 years of collaboration, partnership, and leadership focused on making people's lives better by powering a more prosperous world.
We find new ways to do what we do better. That means bringing our customers new solutions that are lower cost, that provide better power, that provide better reliability.
The legacy of the past 100 years has had a huge impact on how our company approaches power generation. It's about innovation and dependability.
D.W. Onan was among the pioneers who built the earliest power generators.
His company, Onan, launched in 1920, became the foundation for Cummins Power Generation.
Desde el principio, la innovación y la confiabilidad han sido y seguirán siendo nuestras áreas de enfoque.
And Cummins Power Generation provides electricity. We do it in innovative ways. We are essential to the economies across the world.
It is easy to underestimate how many people on this planet depend on Cummins Power Generation equipment to keep them safe and to keep their business running. So make no mistake about it, the world is always on because of Cummins.
From the earliest years, Onan generators and products, such as the famous tin light generator, brought electricity to farms and rural areas where city power didn't reach.
Trouxemos novas fontes de energias e luz para casas, a bordo de navios, para as Forças Armadas dos Estados Unidos na Segunda Guerra Mundial e para estradas abertas,
gerando energia confiável de emergência e primária para uma ampla gama de indústrias em todo o mundo. A próxima geração de energia.
The momentum transformed the company. In 1986, Onan became a partially owned subsidiary of Cummins. 6 years later, Cummins fully acquired Onan and formed Cummins Power Generation.
Our global presence
expanded even more,
with the acquisitions of Petbo and AVK,
growing to serve customers
in 197 countries worldwide.
The Cummins Power Generation business plays a critical role in delivering Cummins' mission of making people's lives better by powering a more prosperous world.
One of the overlooked aspects of our participation and competitiveness in power generation is that we don't just make the equipment, we stay connected to the end user and the equipment as long as it lives.
One of the most impressive attributes of Cummins Power Generation is how we combine innovation in product development, deep knowledge of our customers, and the dedication of our field sales and service teams.
Today, Cummins Power Generation continues to meet the world demand of power,
providing backup power, primary power, engineering bigger, more efficient and sustainable power solutions,
accomplishing new landmarks in power generation
with new power, new efficiency, new reliability.
100% integrated, 100% Cummins.
Engineering to the extremes.
The only company in our industry that actually owns its distribution network to seamlessly serve our global network.
And we're proud of our vast network of dedicated Cummins employees who provide our customers with unprecedented personal service and support.
Our legacy of being an industry leader has pushed us to continue to focus on innovation and delivering products that meets the needs of our customers now and into the future.
It is the pride and dedication of our employees that will lead Cummins Power Generation into a new century. A highlight of working at Cummins is knowing I'm helping deliver critical power to those who need it, when they need it.
I take pride in working with engineers and technicians at the leading edge of power generation technology.
The best part of working here is the relationship we build with our customers and how we all come together to solve any problems.
It is exciting to be living in a time with such amount of change and where we can help shape the future of our industry.
The next 100 years are going to be even more exciting. Because not only are we going to continue to lead with global power provision, support and service everywhere, new innovations, but we're going to bring technologies to market which have less impact on our environment. We're going to build more prosperity across the world.
It's the people of Cummins Power Generation who are building on the legacy of the last 100 years.
I'm so proud to play a small part in the 100-year history of power generation by leading such a great team.
I would like to say thank you everyone for the fantastic run and great achievements last 100 years.
We're ready to take it to the next level and beyond.
We are determined to provide the best power solutions, service, and support in the industry.
As we enter into a new era, Cummins will continue to reshape power generation. The world can rely on
the next generation of power.
The next generation of power.
The next generation of power.
The next generation of power.